Staring at a Claude AI Message Too Long error is the digital equivalent of a door slamming in your face just as you're getting to the good part of a project. You've likely poured a massive amount of data, code, or context into that chat box, only for the system to decide it simply cannot handle the load. This happens because you've officially pushed the model's memory capacity to its absolute limit, leaving no room for a response. Fixing this starts with a ruthless edit of your own work. Look at that prompt and find the fluff. You can usually strip out the polite introductions and the non-essential background details to save space. If you are working with a massive file, don't just dump the whole thing in. Open it up, grab the specific sections you actually need the AI to analyze, and paste only those. You'll find that being precise is much more effective than being exhaustive. If the information is still too big to fit into a single message, you should use the chunking method. Break your input into logical parts, like part 1 of 3, and send them one by one. This lets the AI process the data in stages, rather than choking on a giant wall of text. It might feel a bit tedious, but it ensures every word actually gets read. What if the conversation has been going on for hours? That error might be popping up because the entire history of your chat is taking up all the available room. The easiest fix here is to just start a fresh conversation. It feels like a reset button because it is. You can give the AI a quick, one-sentence recap of what you've already accomplished to get it back up to speed without dragging along the dead weight of 1,000 previous messages. Why does this even happen? Every AI model has a context window, which is basically its short-term memory. Think of it like a desk. Once the desk is covered in papers, you can't put anything else down without clearing something off. Paid plans do a better job of auto-summarizing this history to keep the desk clean, but even they have limits if your initial file is just too massive. If you find yourself hitting this wall constantly, you might want to consider the Pro or Enterprise tiers, which offer significantly more breathing room and better tools for managing large files. But for most tasks, just being a bit more strategic with your attachments and starting new threads will keep you moving. You are now the one in charge of the conversation flow, not the error message.